Arabic learners. This is my very first video on Arabic conversation. So because I just decided to make a video on Arabic conversation because a lot of brothers and sisters, they find it difficult to be able to speak Arabic. So but here today, I'm going to be teaching you some Arabic phrases. Then because I'm going to be teaching you from scratch, from A to Z, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless us, help us. Now the very first thing is what you know is the taslim, that is the greetings. That is the very first thing you have to know. And then if you say assalamu alaikum, you know assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, it's a very common greetings. We all know that. But let's be looking at something new, something different, which is also greetings like I or hello. So I or hello, that's how do I say I or hello in Arabic? That is what marhaban. Marhaban, that is what I. Or you say, sorry, you say I, or you say what? Hello, I. You say I or hello, that's marhaban. You say I, marhaban, I, or what? Marhaban, hello. That's I and hello has the same Arabic words in meaning. They have the same Arabic words in what in meaning. That's I or hello. Then kayfa haluk. How do you say how are you in Arabic? You say kayfa haluk. Kayfa haluk. You know you're having conversation with someone. Kayfa haluk. Kayfa haluk. Kayfa haluk. Kayfa haluk. That's how are you? Kayfa haluk. This kayfa is what? How. Kayfa. How. Kayfa. How. Halu. Haluka. And this kaf here, it is referring to someone at your front. Kaf, and then which is a male. But if it's a male, you say kayfa. If it is a female, you say kayfa haluki. That means you are referring to a female person. But if you are referring to a male person, you say kayfa haluka. But a female person, you say kayfa haluki. That is it. You can reply with what? Ana bi khairi. You can reply with that. Ana bi khair. That's ana bi khairin. Ana bi khairin. Ana bi khair. That's kayfa haluk. How are you? Ana bi khairin. I'm good. Ana bi khair. That's me. Am. Bi khairin. Good. I'm good. Then kayfa sihatik. Can say kayfa sihatik. Kayfa sihatik. That's what kayfa sihatik. Kayfa sihatuka. That's how is your health? Sihatu is what? Is health. Sihatu. Kayfa sihatuka. That's how is your health. You can reply with بخير ولله الحمد. بخير ولله الحمد. كيف صحتك? How is your what? Health. Kaifa sihat. That's kaifa. Don't forget the meaning of kaifa is what? How. That's kaifa. It is what? It means how. That's kaifa. Arabic of what? How. That's kaifa. Just say kaifa haluka. Oh, kaifa sihatuka. How is your health? Then you can reply with بخير ولله الحمد. Now, we have min aina anta. That's where are you from? Where are you from? If you want to ask such a person, where is he from? You say, where are you from? Then how do you say that in Arabic? Where are you from? You say, min aina anta. Min aina anta. That's min aina anta. Min aina anta. That's aina. That's what from. That's the meaning of what from. Then aina, it is what? Min ain. Min. Sorry. Min. Aina. Aina is where. Aina means what? Where. That's min is what? From. Min aina anta. That's where are you from? Min aina anta. That's where are you from? You can reply with okay. Ana min London. London. Ana min London. That's what Ana min London. That's London. I'm from London. Ana min London. I'm from London. Anta is what? You. Understand? So min aina anta. Where are you from? Ana min London. I'm from London. That's I'm from what? I'm from London. Ana min London. I'm from London. That okay? إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going? That's another phrase. Where are you going? That's how do you say that in Arabic? Where are you going? إلى أين تذهب? إلى أين تذهب؟ إلى أين تذهب? That's where are you going? Where are you going? إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going? You can reply with أنا أذهب إلى المسجد. أنا أذهب إلى المسجد. إلى المسجد. أنا أذهب إلى المسجد. That's إلى أين تذهب? Where are you going? أنا أذهب إلى المسجد. I'm going to mosque. That's I'm going to mosque. إلى أين تذهب؟ أذهب. أنا أذهب إلى المسجد. That's أنا أذهب إلى المسجد. That's I'm going to what? I'm going to mosque. I'm going to what? I'm going to mosque. That's okay. Who are you? Can I ask? Okay, who are you? Then say man anta. Man anta. Man anta. Who are you? Man anta. We have man here. This is man, and then we have what? Ma. Man and ma. It is different. This man is what? You can't use ma. This ma, you say you can't say ma anta. That's something bad. That is a mistake. You just say man anta. Who are you? But if you say ma, that's what are you? That is ridiculous. That is bad. Man anta. Who are you? Man anta. Who are you? That's you are asking a question. Down also. Man anta. Who are you? You can say okay. Ana. You can say okay. Ana Khalid. Ana Idris. Ana Abdullah. Ana Muhammad. That is going to be the reply to the question such a person asks you. So man anta, that is the person asking you a question. Man anta. Then you say Ana Idris. How Ana Khalid, and how you want to use it. Ana Khalid, anyhow, that's Ana Khalid. I'm what? I'm Khalid. I'm Khalid. Now, now let's look into another phrase. Like, okay, uh, man abuka, man abuka. Who is your father? Man abuka. Who is your father? Man abuka. That's who is your what? Father. Man abuka. You can say, okay, Abi. That's what question. You say, Abi, Abi, Abi. Who are tabib? That's my father is a what? Who are tabib? Is a doctor. Tabibu. Abi. Sorry. That's Abi. Who are my father is a doctor. Abi. Who are tabib? My father is a what? My father is a doctor. Doctor. Man abuka. Who is your father? Man abuka. Who is your father? Abi. Who are tabib? My father is a what? Is a doctor. My father is a what? Is a doctor. My father is a doctor. Now, you have then how do you ask about his name? That's your name. Well, you want to ask him about his name. You know, ismu. That's name. That's what ismu means. What name? Ismu name. Then say masmuk. Masmuka. Masmuka. That's masmuka. What is your name? You can reply with what? Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khalid. Ismi Abdullah. Ismi Idris. So we have Ismi here. Then we have Kaf now. Then this Kaf, it is what? It is plus Kaf, Kaf ataka. That if you say Ism Masmuka, that you are referring to what? A male person. That's who you are referring to. You say you are referring to what? A male person. But if you are referring to a female person, talking to a female person, you want to ask her about her name, you say, you want to ask her name, you say Kaf Keshroki. That's what just that's this Kaf key. You just put Keshro under it. Ismi. That's Masmuki. 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 That's Masmuka. That's Masmuka. What's your name? But if it is Masmuki, just add Keshro, Kaf Keshro key. That's what Masmuki. Then you reply with Ismi Abdullah. That's what Ismi Abdullah. Or Ismi Idris. Ismi Idris. Ismi. Now, I add this ya. That is, it is what? Plus ya. That is me. Ya, it is what? Me. That is ismu. This is ismu. Then you add ya that you want to talk about, you want to say your name, that your name is what? Idris. Just say Ismi Idris. That is what? That is let me plus. That's the reason why I put plus here. That you just add ya at the end of this what? At the end of this meme. That's what? Ismi. What? Ismi? Ismi Idris. Ismi Idris. Ismi Abdullah. Ismi Muhammad. Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khalid. Now, okay. How do you say? What did you carry? What did you carry? What did you carry? Just okay. ماذا تحمل؟ ماذا تحمل؟ ماذا تحمل؟ ماذا تحمل؟ ماذا تحمل؟ What did you carry? ماذا تحمل؟ ماذا تحمل؟ Say أحمل. Say أحمل. Say you can reply with أحمل. أحمل كتاب. أحمل كتاب. That's what I carry a book. أحمل كتاب. I carry a book. ماذا تحمل؟ أحمل كتاب. What did you carry? أحمل كتاب. أحمل كتاب. Then can say okay. ماذا بيدك. That's another phrase. ماذا بيدك. ماذا بيدك. Let me just write it here. ماذا. Okay. ماذا. That's ماذا بيدك. ماذا بيدك. What did you carry? ماذا بيدك. What is in your hand? ماذا بيدك. What is in your hand? ماذا بيدك. What is in your hand? What is in your hand? Yadu. That's the Arabic of what? Yadu, hand. Yadu. We have it here. Yadu. That is what? Hand. Yadu, hand. So ماذا بيدك. What is in your hand? ماذا بيدك. What is in your hand? ماذا بيدك. بيدك. What is in your hand? Now then we have let's make another phrase that I'm writing. How do you say I'm writing? Ana aktub. That's ana aktub. Say ana aktubu. Ana aktubu. Ana aktubu. Ana aktubu. Then if I want to ask ماذا تكتب, if I want to ask what are you writing, I will just say ماذا تكتب. ماذا تكتب. What are you writing? أكتب. أنا أكتب رسالة. Say أنا أكتب رسالة. That should be your reply. أنا أكتب. أنا أكتب رسالة. رسالة. أنا أكتب رسالة. That's رسالة. أنا أكتب رسالة. That's رسالة. رسالة means what? Letter. So أنا أكتب رسالة. That's I'm writing a letter. أنا أكتب رسالة. I'm writing a letter. So let's stop here today. So see me in my next video. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.